Fill&Finish is the final critical step in the GMP manufacturing of biopharmaceutical products. It is also a core competency of Biovian, a Nordic CDMO with expertise in biopharmaceutical manufacturing for 2 decades.
Fill&Finish is an essential part of comprehensive CDMO services. Our clients have novel drug candidates that need to be taken from the laboratory bench to the clinic. A one-stop shop where aseptic filling is provided under the same roof minimizes the risk related to transfer logistics. Therefore, it is a pleasure to provide state-of-the-art Fill&Finish services at Biovian.
Fill&Finish expertise of Biovian covers a broad range of biologics, viral vectors such as AAV and Adenovirus, Plasmid DNA, recombinant proteins and protein complexes, dilution buffers and placebos. Aseptically filled GMP-compliant drug products can be used for clinical trials or commercial purposes. 100% weight check during the filling process ensures that every drop of the valuable product will be filled into vials from the start until the end of the batch.
The filling process has been designed to ensure product safety. RABS system and 100% visual inspection are examples of this. We also perform sterility testing in-house as part of the GMP release service. Labeling and packaging, batch certification, qualified person approved release and intermediate warehousing, all this is provided at the same certified site. We take pride in providing Fill&Finish as part of our expert services. We work with our heads, hands and hearts. At Biovian, we call this manufacturing happiness.